Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Quantitative Literacy Online course. Go to the modules page, and there you're going to find our next set of assignments. Please be sure and do your weekly check-ins. We're still in Mathematics and Money, so we're going to scroll down to the section where homework is. And if you'll notice, I put in the worksheet solutions here. So you got the worksheets with solutions worked out. Hopefully it will be helpful to you. We're going to talk about section 3, managing money. So you're going to go here, you're going to click on it and says start. But before you start it, I would first download this section 3 of project managing money expectation form. This is what I want you to upload back. So I'm going to encourage you to please print this out, fill it out, and then, and you may have to download it. Look how slow mine is at loading. So if your computer's a little slow, you may just have to go ahead and download it. It may be easier and faster that way, and then just open it. Okay, so what you'll need to do is make sure you have your name and the date on this, and you will fill this out. Answer the questions. How much would you like to save in 20 years? How much would you like to have saved up in 20 years? Where do you plan on living? Arkansas, Hawaii, Minnesota, wherever. You're going to put that here because that also changes a lot about the income, right? The money spending going out versus the income coming in. Because if you'll notice, each state may have a different tax bracket. They'll have a different minimum wage bracket. After you complete your research, I want you to the bank that you selected in section 2, the bank that you do want to have. And if you're not happy with that bank, you can search for another bank. It's always good to make sure the bank that you pick is the one in your best interest. So where do you plan on having your savings at? So you're going to put that bank there. And at what age would you hope to retire? I know 65 right now they're saying is full retirement age where you can draw all of it. I do know some jobs you retire after 10 years, after 20 years, but that's not the full retirement. However, if you get to choose what age it is, when you get to fully retire and just live the life you want to live without having to go to work every day, what age would that be? Okay, so it's question 2. You're going to have to do some research, okay? And go to example 7 on unit 4B for this A and B part here. So when you go to that section 2 homework, you're going to find the interest rates that you got from the bank, the investment and saving money. Some banks are really good about giving you the percentage for the simple interest and the compound interest. You may get someone that don't understand a whole lot of that breakdown, or you may get a bank that really doesn't offer a whole lot. So that's why you want to research. I have found some banks actually do offer the simple interest and simple compounding, or not simple, but the compounding interest on savings. And then they have CDs and multiple other things. But find out where you're going to earn the most interest at when you're saving money. So how much money do you hope / plan on having saved up by the time you are 50 years of age? How much will your monthly payment need to be to reach your goal at the time? So you're going to definitely want to go to this worksheet. I have examples worked out there. This last one here says go to examples 2, 3, and 6 in unit C to finish this last one. So say you retire at the age of 65 and you start your IRA today. So however old you are right now, or however young you are right now, up to the age of 65 will determine how many years you're going to get to save this. And say you're going to save $150 each month. You need to get the interest rate at the bank you're planning on using, and then you're going to calculate the total deposits, total interest earned, and the amount you have saved for your retirement. And then part B, calculate how much investment each investment is, stocks, bonds, and cash, will be worth in 35 years. You will need to find the interest rates for the stocks and bonds and cash at the bank of your choice. And again, if your bank doesn't offer these, then you may need to reach out to another bank. So definitely get that. And the examples are worked out in Unit C. Thank you. Oh, and my apologies. So upload this right here. This is what I'm wanting you to upload. Make sure and keep your notes and your math work that you have completed for this section, because you're going to combine it on the exam. And it's going to be helpful. It's going to be a good, it's going to help knock down some of the work when you put it together. Make sure and save everything on your works cited page. Anywhere you do your research from or get your information from, be sure and works cited. Thank you.